Usembut Menteri Rangba ka jela bat MLA ka Nartiang mas sngewbha lang dhar. Pdiang sngewbha ya kino ki kertong ki bakwa ban iakhun ya ka MLA election na po ka Nartiang Constituency. Ya kani umas sngewbha lang dhar ulapan pau bakran Syllad pthai kubor hadin badan ka jingkran ba President ka VPP uba Arden Miller Basaymon iakhun MLA election na po Nartiang Constituency.
Mungkin beda ba don giba ong ba dan kontes bat kondisi juga. Anybody is welcome, no problem. Lagi juga kondisi open dah. Lalu baru lah kontes. Biar baik anybody, no problem. For me, no threat. Just inform anybody who come contest. I have to work hard on it. Kata tu nak guna terai bagai lalu wanya lah. Yo kenong klaim ngam Pdiang siu. Never know. Ya kadi belum mana kondisi jong atun don kampataya dah piu terai. Saya mahu mengalami I kumbaku apa but I'm trying my best. That is my part as a local MLA. Tapi mana kata apa pilihan nu baku ni contest lah. You kata apa? Anybody is most welcome to come and contest with me. Congress will contest, VP will contest, BJP will contest, UDP will contest. Kya problem hai? No problem at all. Jong Nartiang Constituency la sau tem ki yo uju amale kan ma bam dei babai. Not like nong tem they change every 5 years.